Hello and welcome to Our Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can delete your gigs on Fiverr. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to fiverr.com. As you go to fiverr.com, make sure you do have your account. Log into your account and make sure that you have switched to selling account. If you don't have it switched, go ahead and click on switch to selling and you will be headed to this page. The next thing you want to do is click on my business, which is right here. Then click on gigs. After you click on gigs, your gigs will be loaded over here. Some of the active gigs, pending in approval, requires modification, all of the gigs will be here. So one of my gigs is over here in the drafts. If you want to delete this gig, just go ahead and select the gig and you can see the delete option. So if you click delete, you can see it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete this selected gigs? Go ahead and click OK and this gig will be deleted. Let me show it to you once again. First of all, what you need to do is open fiverr.com, log into your account and switch to selling mode. You can switch to selling mode by clicking on your profile over here and switch to selling mode will be over here. As I've already switched it, you can see the switch to buying option. What you need to do next is click on my business and click on my gigs. After that, you can just go ahead and go to your gigs from this arrow and click delete and you can see this pop-up box over here, or else you can just select this box over here and click delete and click OK. And this way, your gig will be permanently deleted. I hope this video about how you can delete your gigs on Fiverr was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.